when crocheting the jowls on the snout. First step is insert your hook in the gap between stitches next to the nose, yarn over, pull through, I like to chain one, and then single crochet in that same stitch. Then I like to pinch the snout to kind of generate a line from the nose to the base. And then you're going to fill in the stitches according to the pattern there. In this case, it's a half double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next 2 stitches, two treble crochet in the same stitch, and then it's double crochet in the next 2 stitches. I'll do that one again. And you're going to fasten off and weave in the tail. That's all there is to it. And then just repeat on the other side of the nose.